How to set up restrictions in email account in cPanel. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to sign into cPanel with cPanel username and password, which will bring you to the cPanel settings page. In cPanel settings page, you need to click Email Account option under Email section. Here in Email Accounts page, you will be seeing all the email accounts set up in cPanel. Next, click the Manage button corresponding to the email account. And in this page, scroll down to Restrictions section. For some reason, instead of deleting the email account, you may decide to restrict activity in the email account, like when a staff has quit the company. Here, we can enable or disable incoming emails in this email account to keep the communication flow going. Next, similarly here, we can allow or disable outgoing emails from this email account. And logging into the email account can be disabled. And finally, update the changes made to the email account. And done. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.